Here's problem 16:16. Find the period of a wave of a 100-meter wavelength in deep water where the velocity is equal to the square root of g lambda divided by 2 pi. Alright, so we're given that the wavelength is 100 meters, and our velocity of propagation, which should be the wavelength times the frequency, is equal to g times the wavelength divided by 2 pi square root. Alright, so then if we divide both sides by the wavelength, the frequency will be equal to 1 over the wavelength times g lambda over 2 pi, which if I bring the wavelength, 1 over the wavelength, into the radical, I'm going to have g divided by 2 pi lambda square root, because it would have been lambda over lambda squared. Alright, the period is 1 over the frequency, so if I take 1 over this square root, I'm actually going to get the 2 pi lambda divided by g square root. So that would be the period of this wave. That's going to be 2 pi times 100 meters over 9.8 square root. And what is that? 8.007, so 8.01 seconds is the period of this deep water wave, 8.01 seconds.